Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Valorant, which is the VAL error 62. Alright, this is pretty easy to fix. Just go ahead and close your Valorant game if you have it opened. Exit to desktop. Alright, once it's closed, just go ahead and open up your Riot client and make sure that you have installed the latest updates. Alright, if it says updates right here, just go ahead and click on that and wait for the process to finish. Once done, launch the game again and it should work now. Now, if there are no available updates and you're still facing the same problem, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Alright, and look for speed test. Once done, hit on enter. Once you're in here, you're going to want to run through the speed test by Google or the speed test from Ookla. But it doesn't matter, just go ahead and run the speed test from Google. If you can see a decline on performance right here from your internet, it might be a problem with your internet itself, so you might want to contact your ISP. Alright? Another option is by looking at Valorant status right here. Hit enter. Alright, games service status right here. Click on that. Select the language, continue. Scroll down a bit and locate Valorant right here. Click on that. Select your server. I'm on Asia Pacific. I'm going to click on that and select the language as well. Hit on continue. Alright, you might be able to see reds right here where it says under maintenance or something similar. Alright, as you can see here, there are no recent issues or events to report, so I'm not having the problem. If it says under maintenance right here, you're going to want to wait it out, alright, until the problem fixes. Now, what if there are no server issues from Riot's end? So what we're going to do, basically, again, go to your taskbar right here and right click on Riot Client and Riot Vanguard if it's running in the background. Right click on it and hit on quit or exit. Alright, once done, right click on a blank space right here on your taskbar. Right click and look for Task Manager. Click on that. Go to Details tab. Locate any Valorant related services. Alright, as you can see here, it is clear. I don't have Valorant or Vanguard running in the background. So what you're going to do basically is just go to your search bar and type in services. Click on this one right here. Once it opens, locate the service called VGC. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down until we locate VGC. Alright, there you have it. Once you have it located, either double click on it or right click, hit on properties, click on it. In the generals tab right here, on the startup type, make sure that it is set to automatic. Alright, once done, hit apply, then don't hit OK yet. Alright, again, automatic, hit apply. Once done, hit on start. Once it says here service status is set to start, just go ahead and hit on OK. Close this one, launch Valorant again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now what if that still won't work? Well, there are two solutions here left for you. You're going to want to go to your search bar again and type in CMD. Once the command prompt pops up, just go ahead and go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up, just click on Yes. So what we're going to type here is follow along, ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter. Another one, ipconfig space / release. Hit enter. Another one, ipconfig space / renew. Alright, wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, just type in netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Another one, netsh space int space IP space reset. Once done, just hit on enter. And as you can see here, the process is done. Just type in exit and press enter to close the command prompt. After that, restart the computer. Alright, once done, boot up the game and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, the last option here is to just change your DNS server. To do so, you're going to want to go to your taskbar again, right click on your internet settings, then go to open network and internet settings right here. Now once you're in this section, just go ahead and locate change adapter options, click on that. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to double click on the network that you are currently using. For example, here I have only one, so I'm going to double click on that. A window will pop up, just click on properties. Another window will pop up, just double click on Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Click on that and hit on Properties, and there will be another window. Yours might be set to obtain DNS server address automatically, and you might want to select this one. Tick this radio button. Use the following DNS server addresses. First, try to use this one from Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, and alternate is 8.8.4.4. Once done, hit OK. Close, close, minimize this one, close, launch Valorant again, and everything should work perfectly fine. Now if that will work, you might want to use double click again, Properties, IPv4, Properties, 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Once done, hit on OK. Close this one, close everything, launch Valorant, and you're good to go. Now if none of the workaround helps, it's time to contact Riot Support for further information and assistance. And that is it. I hope this video helps, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.